Welcome back to another video. It's still your girl, Hotbox 237. Always in the building, always on time. The one and only Ogbonto, the African lion in 237 community, my people. Now they challenge Hotbox. Now they challenge Beshkele. They no reach. Yes, my people, this video go try for long small, but I want to beg una patient for watch the video to the end. Make I show una the proof of wait people the grand that they ask am for me say. Some grand said they no fit ever call me. Some grand said they no fit ever write me. So now watch the video to the end for get wait at the try for talk. I love una my lovely people. But I want try now for talk say any person where if you don't contact my CEO of hair, if find difficulties for the price, so the price is a high or whatsoever. You know we sell in quality, right? We sell in quality, not in quantity. So if you don't contact the price is high because don't contact me. Basically, the price is be high and I no buy. So when I go contact it back, the first 10 people the way they will contact it back for Berry Hair International, una go get a small discount where go reduce am for una. And if you still pay instrumentally, rest my people. If you pay instrumentally, so una run go back for Berry Hair, una go contact it back. Una write it or una call it because if I don't tell una say be very busy, write it, tell it say now you become for that hair and you don't come back because you're here for Hotbox. Say they give some small discount for the first 10 people that will contact you. We go ship. Some people they ask for Dubai, so you contact the number the way you pass on this screen. May will tell you the price where they give her for Dubai. Yes, my lovely people. Before our enter for see where it bring me, I will also take this opportunity for thank una support me back to back. Una they love you. Una say Ogbonto na wait to happen with your video where you talk say in your last video. Una no worry. Una headquarters they get to the thing now. Well, I get to the two odd thing give una understand. And I want to take the opportunity for apologize for the way I be the sound, I be vex sote, I the short, I just talk, I no be know because I be really the vex, you understand? I be really the vex, and I like my big people, them, my respectful people, them, my grandson, them, intelligent people, they want to correct me, so when I place day. Anyhow, when you correct me, insult, they like say, I never talk to don't know me. Insult, my best thing. I don't receive the worst insult for the ground. That way I be like a new field assistant. I be the youngest field assistant for Penamboko Rubber Estate. The youngest. And I control the second biggest section for Penamboko. They call it the bone section. So, when I know the lesson, I don't know me. They don't give me all kind name, all kind thing them. I no still shake. Now that I get all this name them. People, the way they be give me this name same, Okpo. Now the one of the oldest overseer where he be there for that section where even manager for the estate be the fear. So when I become be like a field assistant, the name na Mr. Ngoof Humphrey, una axi fine put in a Penamboko people there, una axi. Now he they be call all me and he say Okpo when he be give me that name so Okpo. Because of the things the way I be do for my small age and for the way my ratch way I get them. You know, be that one of the oldest field assistants. So I be control he as well. The way I be the treaty and the manner in which I be hit it hard. We manager never ever do one for you. So it be give me that name say Okpo. So when I come for social media, they see these people there when they talk, when I just put them behind camera on a face threatening when I no reach. But I just give that one like an aside. You understand? I need to show a power, the past power, but I give that one like an aside. Me wanna know the creature behind this camera. I want to know the creature behind this camera. Yes. So any man get his own level where it day for his own realm. But some realm the pass so level the pass on level. I want to just understand. Yes, my lovely people, at the work for social media, I was say and say they say some new disease don't come again. They call it say Marburg virus. They don't identify 150 people there for Equatorial Guinea. Yes, 150 people there for that side for Malabo, Equatorial Guinea that side. Where the disease they like they like coronavirus. Where they isolate people, they still quarantine people, they still keep social distance. They like the same symptom. But it be very dangerous compared to coronavirus. They call it the Marburg virus. It now they all over the place. Where you be current and vigilant, you go know about what they talk. But since as Cameroonians they don't like news, since as Cameroonians they like na gossip. If you don't see play the gossip, they need to go there. So una be informed for the TV say so new virus don't take place. When you don't took your vaccine, you feel say you don't free from coronavirus. The bigger virus, so I become talk when I say they go hit. Now they name that the Marvels virus where it don't hit. It hit the world now, so it don't start from Malabo and they identify and for UK. So una be very, very careful, my lovely people. Yes, I do enter for this small. I try trash small in them. I enter too for the matter where when I remember for my last video, my all subscriber them, I be talk for una say, I be can't talk sometimes, I can't mama come sometimes say, we should know when to drop our weapons. I be can't talk I be can't talk at that time. I say we should know when to drop our weapons. I even got example for Mommy Buje Benjamin, where time be do vaccine, it be know the time and to for drop weapon. I try for expatiate, I try for talk about them, but the opposite people them who they for the Granders committee, I don't know whether they ever their own reasoning faculty. It didn't. Let me say they prefer talk before they reason. The defect talk it be a long time before they can reason. Say no, the thing way the people they be talk not true. Now I tell you, I say positivity they take a very long time, but when it will come for can stay. Because I become time the saga be there, it be the way brother especially I be just born. I be talk some know when to drop our weapon. And if I be talk that time, the two opposite camps they drop their weapon, if you know now they talk now peace. But since as the very person where it all stand today for talk say make peace happen for our 237 community, now the same person where it be use that my video, the talk about, the coach me, say at the fear saga, at the our run for saga, time over reach, when I come back for saga, when I start name people the way that they try for preach peace, like Treaty Center 237, when I start coaching, when I go for Boss Lady International, when I start talk, when I come for me, talk say at the run saga. When that voice not be leaked, we can go know where they talk about that time. When I be saying gonna go come for me, when I start contradict the whole show. So I stand tall. I say okay, more dance to the tune. So now when I don't say I say una views that they drop because una they can't repeat one and the same things them. Una they try for contradict the big five their side. Big five need to send any person for insult, and I go stand for them on national television for tell una say when we talk about Melanie Labelle, we talk about na say wetin may it stand a ground for talk, may any dey repeat, may any copy to person the talk. I don't think I talk for you say one and only Ogbonto. So person go repeat and do mistakenly say one and only Ogbonto. Or some person he go repeat and say where you say where you go talk say don't skip my app where you don't even be monetized. He never be monetized. He go talk say don't skip my app. That is what we were trying to say. And if we try for understand, we don't talk with you for back, you know, yes, or discover, or make an answer, it come, because you come for my video, you can take some part, go for dopes, go for this, they can join and put your own thing for they post them. That is not what we mean. If you can't clean community, look, make content, bring things the way they happen for social media, you talk about them. Right? You talk about the things the way they happen, then now you analyze them for your own way. If you have been an analytical blogger, you analyze the two things the way they happen. Not the copy people that think that the personality now that's how they build up a new YouTuber. That's what be the type because we not talk to me go insult anybody. If you know so don't talk to me go is only important for outside. By the way, that is not what I know way to think me come for yeah. I just the thrown at the small outside them we are the year and for our 237 community. Yes, my people, they don't come to tell me, say, with the overlie, hotbox the lie, this is people the lie. Me, I be one and the only person, or with the big five, who need even one try for debunk most of the things and for the branches them for the granders. I don't tell when I say me I like for concentrate and no man of it distract me. No man, they never born person will go distract me. I like concentration. Yes. So if una try for when I go this side, one try for distract me. I see things I be stop not for the answer most of una because una be what drag my attention and for una for be popular. But since as una don't say and say una call one name the answer una don't cap now for try for preach peace because now the positive side they don't talk about peace una no one year. Time where when they be take we be personate Wendy product, who talk about, who condemn your own side, who condemn Wendy own side. Now the two judgment then that way will be giam. Who no be confused, who condemn the fact of say you double cross Wendy, then who come for Wendy own side for condemn Wendy, say Wendy too be not do and so for his small sister Densia. Una understand? So I not just come for the point. I una they can't give me challenge. They never born dog we go give me challenge. No man no they for give me challenge. Yes, my people, Besem cry out so loud the other day for branches that show, say, you know, want to make a call in him. Besem na who? Besem na some grand say we don't fight for train, where it is stay for Sweden. I don't really know where it is stay, whether na Antwerp, I don't really know, because I never really put my head there for the mommy, the time they ever install, they did drone them, no. I never like to put my head for day. So Besem don't come call for one of the branches that show, say, you know, want to make grand that they debunk them. Because grand that they claim, say, anything the big five that they talk, the branch they were try for talk saying a lie. The branch they were try for talk say this in a lie. In as much as we too they try for debunk which they talk. So by Besem say the more and more that they debunk it in them, now the more and more in name they go for social media. Besem realize and now I don't tell when I say grandad them that they do some things them continually, but they can't realize in a time when it don't be too late. You understand? So when the mommy they for that grand side say and say that name they already be for rubbish on social media, they already say shame by disgrace, they go continually be there. But all be for a long time they'll say and say no, you need to pay because deep people them they use their name they make money. The people that they use their name, now when they Besem, they be tell Besem when the fight be concerned, usually Mama and Nancy Ban, no, they go call for platform to platform for express yourself, for prove your point wrong, for your right, because the other opponents, them, they will take their word, them, they start for the insult you. But Besem no be here. That advice be come on for Bono in Mami. So Bono Mami be advice Besem no here. Besem take the problem, they go for social media, for the like a platform, he go talk and for them. So the other side, now they come into the matter, they try for trash and say no, Besem, you know be talk now, so you know be talk now. So Besem in name, it start go viral. It start go all platform that they call Besem, small picking, they don't even call it by name. They start call it Besem, they start call she do all the kinds in them. You understand? So it don't know no reason. Say he married now the shake, he named the whole social media, put up all place, grander side to you go see Besem, the big five you see Besem, BIF them Besem, they all side vaccine, they be don't vaccine. So he married the shake, he master do the talk for Besem. So Besem now don't come now for try work at the call, me the back and go no better. Say may it leave the matter. Me if I don't she know for down, I look the situation, I say the Besem it get sense, but it don't be so late. Because when for year from gonna make that better in mommy that time we be say me it no call for platform them, it no for be for the mess. Why are they try for explain this situation? Are they relate them? I dey relate them now for this matter where they try for one talk for me say bring out the video where you put them down. Bring out the video where you put them down. Ma explain on something. When your name come up like a drone for social media, if you are educated enough, if you are wise, if you know one social media drama where your name where they was zeng with you, you know what you can do. You feel if you yes example, if you yes say Henze put your name, say you be drone. You know get Henze in number. You contact Hotbox, say Hotbox. My name don't be like a drone for here. Wait see happen. I go tell you, you go explain me your own part of the story. I go ask you say, why you do so? Why you do so? Why you go do so? You explain me your own part of the story. As a mother as I be, as an educated person as I be, I go understand with you. Then I go give you your point, say no do again, so no do again. So then I go back Henze, say Henze, drop this file for down. Henze, drop this file for down. So we negotiate for that to go talk for Henze that go drop you that post. But you again, if now you again the person where they drop your post, you come out again go contact the Veshela, you talk for the Veshela, the opposite in them, the Veshela go believe you, thinking say you never even can contact we. As the Veshela go talk nothing where you tell he go believe now wait to where you talk. When now the big five they hear and say nothing that you go you don't go do, now for then they'll start drag your name for social media. Because we so me in particular, I don't like challenge. I don't like challenge. So when you don't start go do and so, now that time now we go start zeng with your name for social media. Okay, when I don't really understand to it, I did try for talk. The grand say in name become up for my platform where I throw aside, I throw things every day, and make him know say if file a day where they were pillar. They with a big fight. So you know you get content today. The person don't talk to you go throw up for you for your messenger. You look am. You understand? So I just for my video I throw am out. So this grand say as wise as it be, it contact people there, may they talk for me. It contact my other colleague them, may they talk for me. So the discussion be passed. We talk I understand the woman his story. Okay. If now una dey try for tell me say una wan use because una this one like problem. Una wan make am now make I take this woman in video again, put am for aside. Make hence they take woman in video again, put am for aside. Then it go be na a war where the woman go bring am. But if I hear say the woman don't go contact, if una know say if una want am truly, ma bring down that video, ma bring back that video back for public. Una go contact the woman, the Eli. Una contact T. Oh, it may contact una, tell una say Hotbox the lie, or Henze the lie, or Sarah the lie, or those person the lie. Then una record see. Then una can play am for una channel. Say Hotbox na lies to the talk. Hotbox debunk me so. Then you go see how I go bring back the video back for social media. I go put them back because then have my private. I need to delete my video. They are my private. So most of una things una the lie. I need the frighten. I need the fear down a threat. So when I don't record this, so we don't talk say that lie to the talk. I don't mind anything. I don't mind my face because my face is already dirty. Oh, I did tell una for you. I need to understand. My face don't really dirty for poto. So I don't mind anything where I be talking for the woman. Whether not true or not way to. I don't mind anything I be talking for the woman. Where we talk for background. I go bring her for public. Now me are there for front camera now. I go bring her for public. So if una want to see video where I put her down, una contact the woman. Make us say na lie. Una record the woman, una bring her for una channel, then make me I bring back my video, then I tell una wait to be happen. Yes. Now me Ogbonto, I need the fear. He go listen to my video. And if una because the woman be so wise, he be so educated, he knows where he continually do that kind of thing them, his name go the rock for social media. Now what I go stand for you with my full chest. I instead tell una say no, Elino go ever talk for una say no, nothing that way happen. But because where he do, me Ogbonto, I go talk am back because no man no go threaten me. No man. So I don't want to make the grand say in name the rop for poto. The do anyhow for social media. Now why that way I drop down any post. Now why that way I keep am for private. But if I see and say he make call for different platforms they will challenge you, I go bring them back. Now the only reason that I go bring them back because I go believe say he now he don't decide say or she now don't decide say make in name go for social media. I will go rob her for poto. Yes. Now my point in that way I give am for because of that Eli Ngasa a video. So when I not try for the talk say na Dorothy Agbo send me, I not even be a friend to Dorothy Agbo. No. You know ever give me any list for anything will be happen. The grand say be innocent. I feel swear for anything. Dorothy Agbo is innocent for everything where it take place. The grand say the talk say for me. You know ever for talk say go talk about the other person. Now leave the grand say alone. I beg. Una leave in name alone. Yes, the second aspect, I'll just try to throw a small light concerning my journey so that for the next video now I will start my jungle part 1 to jungle part 3. You understand? More understand the spirituality of this life. I will just start by I talk say time I be embark on this journey. I was not 100% aware of what is going on, what will be going on the way whatsoever. So I do this thing. I'll start for place for the day we enter the jungle. We reach the place around 2 o'clock, around 2 p.m. We'll come for water for Kapuganda. For Kapuganda, where Bodoka drop, we don't make 3 hours so high sea. So we can drop for Kapuganda. All man the so small thing there for workout So I come on our park, we start group way, we start enter for jungle. As we enter for jungle, we go. The first hill will be climb. They be tell we say oxygen is lost for the hill. People they feel lost air because they call the jungle now the Darien Gap. When I go for una Google, una ask about the Darien Gap. Now a very deadly jungle where it divide a Colombia and Panama and Panama city and Panama Panama na some country for South America or Central America. So That jungle, deadly things that they happen. People they don't die for that jungle. A lot of people they don't die. We get water the part. I will work for rainy season. Even a rainy season, the peak of rainy season. That jungle they so it did this. The climate did the same like Africa. We have to work on a really or a peak of that rainy season, but we no be aware. So me, I be the come up, say we will use like 2 days, 3 days, slate queen girls them. I don't wear my hot pants, I don't put my eyelashes. So carry show kapungana na some boy tell me say we get the same size like me. Tell me say we enter na jungle na so the place then, na so the place there. So you see my wear the trousers. I give me so a trouser. The trouser be really tight my foot because I be wearing a hot pants and tennis. You see, you enter na jungle so you give me some trouser now I wear them. So for my first day now for jungle, the first time we waka, we start waka for that we start waka enter jungle 4 p.m. Enter jungle 4 p.m. Yes, we start go we climb that hill. My God, as I carry my bag no be really too heavy because I be get raincoat inside. I be get my tent where I blow on my touch because you buy all that thing there for tubo. So as I enter my jungle now, we go for we all go for fun. People they work quickly they for fun. We climb that hill. That the first hill that will ever meet up. And we climb that hill because water be really there for around. So we climb that hill now. I already discover myself where I already collapse. Cameroonians, the most people already go there for front, but so we get some few some group there, they get people they get good heart, you get people they get bad heart. So as I be collapse, so I realize myself I don't hook up with some Cameroonians and they be stand for. I know they call their names because now see my friends them, they don't like for come for this social media drama. So I want hook up so other boy that they be doing on a Cameroonian, they be carry me before they bring me for that Cameroonian brother them. They don't move my chain, my things there for my skin, small money people my skin they move and but that was not my concern. So don't want me to the group of Cameroonian now shindon for day. They tell me so they people don't know if to work, I made a group more group me the one they continue they go ahead, then they go to wait for front or accept. So for that time now Christ start do me as so now they said ask us now how long man go work they tell so people if you use 5 days for then I cry. I start crying me and some get ready now for Maryland. We start cry, we say where Papa got to I no be really know so I saw the jungle day. So the moment I want hook up now I get muscle cram, my foot then if to work again. I shindon for the people they say no that they go them. My feet me remain for back. The boy said be no Cameroon or mob no so they coach. I cry so they some Ghanaian boy I don't ever forget it, but na Cameroonian now baby. I don't know na Ghanaian we can mix with Cameroonian. So the boy now give me some energy drink. He give me some energy cinematic so he cut that trouser because I said the trouser be tight my foot. Waka for that night so famous brother and sister if una see mort if una see you send your foot so for some mort so you go meet on a bone for person see people they don't die you work on top bone then skeleton there for una so we work for that night with that touch we don't work as people they already go for front so we don't work as so my sister so I work I dey cry now I say bed now me I dey cry so if I cry now who go help me that's what I talk. I work I go for Cameroon you can pass them me say you never see anything you go suffer. Now either Haitian person go carry you or na other Ghanaian go carry you or na other Angola person go carry you they go sorry you so they carry your back safe. So Haitian boy be like me for road so go drag me we go reach the day we go that means we start work for 4 p.m. we start sleep around 4 a.m. for morning time. That means you work your life for that night. We sleep for dinner for dinner if talk say as we sleep for they woke up home meeting na Cameroon they talk say me no do and so if that Cameroonian brother they die which one they talk say no they enter the jungle no be no man so argument so people they argue now then I throw my tents them throw my tin them I say no the jungle this one life and death we should not for them now for dinner we start waka so they waka so go some hill they call and say 6 hours hill so you must climb that hill if you walk as small you go climb that hill for 3 hours then you descend the hill for another 3 hours. Why we get to pass for that hill? We go pass for that hill because all round rain for day and night I was sick. I was sick. Rain don't knock you back to back. Then that hill water don't round water the issue for your neck. Then the voltage for that water no easy. We don't leave some people there for back, some brother there for back. I don't know call their names them. Me say for those struggle, I sick, I push them. I say I know if you die for this jungle. I say no one day. Because me I been a picking way I was from birth. I be that kind of picking I understand. I not get a 2 eye them. When I understand if you not get 2 eye, you get a 4 eye. So don't work, I go reach there. So my friend be they always some girl will pie we come on Douala together. You always believe in me because that will be come out for Manfe with the cam. When something happen for front, and they tell you say, my friend, we no go reach for 6 o'clock. The motor go get accident. Rain go fall and the motor go get accident. You go try for get accident for you go miss accident 2 times. So the first time where the accident one miss, you know, if I believe in that, it's not a normal coincidence will happen. So the second time that we were tire fire, where we turn for valley for that Manfe road. Now for then he tap me, say event nothing that book I be sleep me. I be like Jesus Christ, I did sleep. He say event nothing this it happen, no nothing this it happen. Now I tell our driver say make it park, make the rain it cut. When the rain cut, then if it continue. But if the rain no cut, it continue, will get accident. And then the proud, so what it now a gift from birth. Yes. So it pack now, before I reach your Manfe place dot dark, will not fit take over. For that night, me and my friend will sleep out there. It look me, it fear me because you no be ever know me. You no be ever know me. So it fear na fear for me. So it can't start the pray. If so when it pray, so it say cast na miss I be demon. So now I tell you, say I explain my situation for you. I talk, I said because person can drop me for park. It be my master and my mother-in-law. He said the love for they show me. So it tight so at the 30th name for road. At the 30th name for road, it make it say fear. No say I really tell I say more be together. I no be tell I say me they fear me. So that then I can believe in me and you pray. So tawe urisawa kana for jungle. I reach for that place. We don't reach for that jungle now. I tell you say me I will continue ahead. Tawa start sick. I tell you say at the sick bed I go make am for the jungle. I say if you follow through I will tell you we go must make I will survive. All man fit die we will need to pray, but me and you will survive. I don't say I say me and you will die for the jungle. He say he call my name 3 times. He say I believe in you. I say don't believe in me, believe in Jesus Christ. That's what I tell you. I say don't believe in me, believe in Jesus Christ. I be get anointing water inside my back. Time you see me I move anointing water. I really believe it truly and not be a bad person, right? So don't reach for that they say no put any work quick me they go for front. So he be already get sold for food, then nobody work so fast. So I tell you say me I go to lead them because they will 3 way they fat. They be so fat, but I be that the smallest one for them, but the rest they be really big. So I be there ahead of them, my brothers and sisters. As I go for that, they say I go to go. So I the work and that you declare them for the valley. Then if you make mistakes, so bam, you the fall now for valley. You look for down so this is not die body. You look for this I see not die body. You the work a year water the pass under that valley. So we will fat. Have you talked say we use 6 hours for climb that hill and 6 hours for descend. So are they ahead of all man at the worker at the go that put that fast put for back. So one don't use different road, different direction for that hill. So now at the worker they go, I see some person ahead of me. The person they climb the hill. Then he call my name. He say Yvette, worker me will go. Oh God, this life, eh? He say Yvette, Wakame will go. I tell you say if they send you, talk say you no see me. You miss road, you know if you lost me for jungle. I look for back, look for front, I no see no Cameroonian. I never realize that, I never recognize the shirt where you wear for front. It been a man picking. So as I talk, as you climb that you the bend your head for down, you the hold and root them for tree. I the climb, they go. I want jake my head, I no see no man. Now there I stand. Fear enter me. Fear really enter me. I look what my friend they come for back, they need the camp. I should not for they need the camp. I said, but how they work as small, I don't understand. Then I hear voices them. I hear like people they talk, but I need to see the people they come. Then I talk, I stand for you and they do it. I have to continue because I see the road path. My brothers and sisters, I knock and so for that jungle, I climb that hill, So as I climb, I go the road be really the slide. I slide now for fall for valley. That valley if I fall now all that. As I fall for valley, I don't know what to happen. Truth be told. As I fall for that valley now, so it hold me as some roots. Some more roots, so now you hold me then I hang for some stick. As I hang for that place now, how I go do climb back now meet up for the road path. I the struggle to climb. I was see as I struggle to climb back. I just what you do. I see. I don't see you know you stand. This is the obstacle bit. You don't fall. Then you see water for down. Then you see up. You just try to survive for your life. I was see. I look for as I climb. I was here. The person talk for English. No, he was speaking English. He said, "Give me a hand. Give me a hand." I look at a person. I said that I don't care whether I ghost or not waiting. I send my hand now. The person struggle now. They drag me so they I climb. He tell me say I no hold water. I say no. I know if you care ask me be who. I no hold water. So my heart the beat boom boom. I say I no hold water. He say and water no dey for up here. Now water that way dey for down day. So he go for front for me now. He go cut. I don't know so I take some stick. He cut that stick. He can give me. He say, "Ma, the suck am water day for that stick." After I pick that stick for your hand and start suck am, it descend, it go down. I say, the person they say go na down. I know everybody have asked. I let the suck me that stick. She know that place suck that stick so they suck that stick. I get energy now. I start climb. I go show the pick for the hina. I get for descend. I start descend that hina. I start fever. They do me. At the wait. Those are my friend. Now me one at the waka. Those are my friend. I should know place already dark. Place already the cover. It be around 7 o'clock. I feel look time. I should not say, God help me. That's why I start pray. God help me. I should not for day. So I go end up for here today. When I go hear the next time where I go tell on how I descend that he before my friend they come meet me. When I like the video, when I share them, I go tell on this story too. Because from that night where I start sick, I come off for jungle. So I come off for jungle, I see continuously the sick. Yes, understand the spirituality of that jungle. It is a deadly jungle. It is, when I can't stand me, no man no bear pass that road. If you say, I decrease. When I like the video, I love when I back to back. I want a one and only chubby princess. And I go end for tell when I say, wait, una know the kind people una the deal with, una the mingle with, una the exchange word. You feel hide for back profile, but you no feel hide for the different eyes of some people. Yes. They behind fake profile preach good things. No, they behind profile for cause depression for people. You feel write those here things, it go affect you. It go affect you in the future. Because they are fake profile and for blind the eye of the public. But now you in the person they write that thing. Tongue this so it be very dangerous. A word for a wise must be sufficient. I love una very bad. Una take care my beshkele as them. One love. You see the social media, no leave, no transfer. Una forget that it.